ACE Video Guide Part 8 ACE Master Controller AMC. The AMC is within a waterproof steel box which can be fitted with brackets to a pole in the ground or a tripod, a vertical surface, or simply rested on the ground. AMC is the central point in an ACE network. It allows you to monitor, supply power to, and log data from all ACE stations in the network. The front panel features a power switch, 5 soft keys, an LCD, and 2 compact flash card sockets. The connectors are for mains power, batteries, an outlet socket and a serial communication port, and numbered sockets for connecting 10, 20 or 30 ACE stations to the master controller. AMC is supplied with an installation kit, a 2-meter mains supply cable, and a spares kit. To power up the AMC, either connect a battery to the DC in connector using cable ACM086 provided. 1 or 2 batteries can be connected to this cable, or, as in this video, connect the AC in connector to a mains supply with voltage between 100 and 240 volts, 50 Hz or 60 Hz, using the mains cable. It is important that the earth connection is connected because the ACE Master has a metal case. In this video, we will demonstrate how to power up, navigate the AMC, connect ACE stations, and configure a network of ACEs, and run a series of closed mode assays. This technique would be the same for open mode assays as well. The mains power cable is connected to the AMC here. Switch the AMC power switch to the on position. Set the time and date by pressing the power page key, select time and date, and select in turn the hours, minutes, seconds, day, month and year. Use the plus and minus keys to edit. Use the power page button again to confirm changes. The compact flash memory card is installed here below the protective flap. Install the card upside down. A maximum of 2 cards can be installed. Next, connect the 10-meter power cable from the ACE station to the AMC here. Switch the ACE station on using the power switch and button. While the ACE station is warming up, check the soda lime. It should be a fresh white colour. Refit the cover. Press Page, press Config for Configure. Check Period is set to 0 and everything else is set correctly on the ACE station. Press Power Off. Select the open position for the chamber head. Repeat this process to connect each ACE station to the AMC in turn until you have a complete ACE network. Remove the blue plastic film covering the control panel and arm housing and remove the yellow PAR sensor cap. Check that period is set to 0. Press the page key until logging is shown. Set logging to no log. Check that the other settings are suitable for the type of assay that you want to perform. These will depend on the soil conditions. Back to the AMC. At this point, the AMC screen reads, "No information, select Configure to update." Press Configure. The AMC will now check for each ACE station in turn. This AMC is set up to connect to 8 ACE stations. ACE station 1 is here. This is recognised first. Then ACE station 2 is recognised. As each station is found, the AMC powers it on and then off once in a checking sequence. The sequence is in reverse order. On the ACE Master, press Configure and check that all ACE stations are found. The Configure function will also set the time and date of each ACE station to the ACE master time and date automatically. At this point, you can load a sequence file from a PC that you have prepared through the computer. On the ACE master, press Project, then Choose, and use the arrow keys to select the project you wish to load, then press Run. If no sequence file is found here, you can create a new one directly from the ACE master. Use whichever method of editing a sequence file that you find preferable. Press Run. The display will tell you when the next event is. In this demonstration, it is in 2 minutes, so the assay is starting straight away. Below this is a progress bar to show how far along the project the AMC is currently. Assays begin when the set time in the sequence file is reached. Depending on the timing you have set for the assays, the first event will occur 60 or more minutes after pressing Run. Results from each assay can be logged directly to the AMC. Use mlog option for master log when using an ACE network, or to individual ACE stations if SD cards are fitted into each ACE station. The ACE master should display a message showing the number of minutes until the next assay. Before leaving the site, watch the system operate for at least one assay and check that each ACE station performs an assay and that results are collected by the ACE master. Check that after the assay, the ACE station is off and has a blank screen. Later, the ACE station will be switched on for a few seconds by the ACE master so that it can collect the results of the assay. When all results have been collected, the ACE master will display the number of minutes until the next assay and will briefly show a message that all results have been collected. All ACE stations should now have the arm in the open position, exposing the soil, and the display should be blank. If any ACE stations do not have a blank screen, reset them by pressing the left 2 keys and the page key simultaneously. Watch the ACE master and ACE stations until they are all working correctly. The ACE stations can be locked to prevent unauthorized access if needed. Press Power Off and Open. The battery isolator switch should be left on. The control box cover should be closed to protect against rain and can be locked shut with a padlock if needed. Close the ACE master cabinet door and remove the black plastic key to prevent it from getting lost. To check the results, wait until the ACE master has finished performing assays and has collected all results. Press Project, then Stop. Wait for the ACE master to acknowledge that the project has stopped. The best way to retrieve the results is to copy to a second CF card. Insert a second CF card in the right-hand card slot. Press Project, then More again, then Copy to B. When finished, the second CF card, card B, can be removed and the project restarted by pressing Project, then Run. The screen should show the number of minutes until the next assay. Do not insert or remove memory cards whilst a project is running.